guys, it's time for another Dia unboxing. Now this time I have asked them to send me winter clothes. Look guys, I'm wearing a sweater even though I live in Phoenix. It's crazy, right? Anyway, I haven't gotten very many wintry things. They usually send me summery things even when I kind of say it's winter because I think they think Phoenix, it's not that cold, but to me it is. It's fragile. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh guys, this is super cute. It is white. And it's lined, so that's awesome. I think that's really cute. Excited to try that guy on. This is a dress. And I just got some navy leggings if I need them because I always get cold in church. And it's got some fun sleeves. Okay guys. I read on the thing that they sent me a poncho, which I don't know how I feel about, so we'll give it a try. Oh, but it has sleeves. It's like a poncho shirt. What do you think? Oh, this is cute. Jean jacket. Cute, right? I saw the jean jacket's a little bit bigger size than what I usually wear, so that must be usually small. And I'd asked for jeans. I've gotten tons of capris, but they haven't sent me very many jeans, so I thought that would be good for you guys to check out. She said they were boot cut, but they're not like real wide legs. Not too bad. You guys can see those. So let's try them on. Okay guys, here is outfit number one. I have on the poncho. I don't know, what do you guys think? It has arms. It's not like a straight up poncho, but the weird thing is that the arms like end there. So it's kind of weird because you can see straight into my bra, so I guess you'd have to wear a shirt under it anyway. And yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's super comfortable. I just don't know that it's my thing. It's real flowy. What do you guys think about it? And then these are the jeans. The brand is Deluxe. And guys, I have to say, I love them. She said they were boot cut, but they are not. Here, let me adjust you. They are not like a real, you know, how some boot cuts are like so booty, you know? These are not that bad. So, I love the jeans. Verdict's out on the poncho. Okay guys, here is the white shirt with those same jeans. I love the white shirt. Now I don't normally buy white shirts because they make me nervous. I don't know if anyone else is a mom and is afraid of wearing white, but I totally am. But I think this looks super cute. I love how these are gathered. It's not real flowy at my wrists. I just really like the shirt. What do you guys think? The lining is a little sketchy in the back, but I think I have it pulled down correctly. I like it. I think it seems young and hip and cool, which is obviously what I'm aiming for. Okay guys, here we are with the dress, which I really like. It's very different than anything else I have, so that is awesome. So, comes to a great length. Here's the full turn. It is more of a cottony polyester. I'm not really sure, but it's not knit. So a lot of the dresses they sent me are knit, but and it also has these ruche sleeves, which I never know how to deal with. Does anyone have any ruche sleeves tips? Also, maybe I should take these socks off. You think? Maybe not the time for orange socks. Anyway, I like this one. Let's try the jean jacket. Okay, so jean jacket. It could probably button here. Yes, it does. And then everything else is fine. She did give me this in a bigger size, but I really like it. It is very lightweight. I don't know that it's meant to be worn with this dress, but I love it. I haven't had a jean jacket in a long time, so I love the color. I love the fit. I think it's just super cute. So let's review this box. Okay, so lots of great stuff for winter. I had to be really specific on winter because sometimes I've asked for winter and then I get really summery stuff. So I got the jean jacket, awesome. Dress, pretty good. This is a little bit low, it's not too bad. And I'm afraid it'll get wrinkly. But other than that, I really like it. I like the color and the pattern. Something out of my comfort zone. Love the white shirt, love the jeans. Poncho sweater is probably the loser for me. But I'd love to know what you guys think. Which one did you like? Which ones didn't you like? Let me know. As always, Dia sends me these boxes, but all the reviews and opinions are my own. Hopefully you guys see that when I'm like, this poncho, I don't know about that. When you shop with Dia, I always recommend having a reason you're going with them. So right now, I really needed some new fall, winter, it's December when I got this box, items. Even though I live in Phoenix, it's still chilly. So they definitely came through, but be really specific about what you want. I said I want jeans that go all the way to my feet because sometimes they're like, oh, these are jeans, but they like are cropped. So, and so anyway, total win. My stylist was Ashby this time. I'm excited to see what I get next time. So I have tons of Dia open boxes. You guys can check them down in the description. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Bye.